Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone. This is really easy. So if I go to like my photos right here, you can see I took a screenshot. And you can do this of pictures on your screen or really anything, just kind of copy it and save it over to your phone's gallery. And to do this, press the volume up button and the power button at the same time, and this will take a screenshot. And you'll notice that your screen is going to like flicker, so let's press it at the same time. So just these two buttons, power button, volume up button, press it at the same time. Screen will flicker. I'll take another one. Boom. And it turns white. And we can go back to my iPhone now and then go to the Photos app. And if we scroll on down, we can see them right here. So these are my screenshots on my iPhone. So once again, volume up and power at the same time, real quick, just press it in and then it'll take a screenshot and you are good to go. Then I'm going to delete these ones. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.